Voice of the People's Party, have expressed its unhappiness at the short address of the Meghalaya governor in the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The governor delivered his customary address in the House for around 10 minutes. Speaking to media persons, VPP leader and MLA Arden Basayomoit also said that VPP is working with other opposition parties to raise different issues pertaining to the state in the ongoing budget session.
Today we have just received the advance start questions. Well, important questions have been dumb, not placed, not given a priority. So those issues will be missed to debate and deliberate on the floor of the House. So therefore, though we have many issues, but the short duration of this assembly will not give us the opportunity to dwell on all the issues that we are intending to raise.